Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very pleased to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home garden tips. Hi, I'm Danielle Cook. Today we're going to enjoy broccoli, a favorite vegetable that's available year-round. I'm going to do something different with it today, something very fallish, and I think you'll be surprised. Before we get cooking, we're going to pay a visit to the other cook sister, Adrienne. She's in her garden getting ready for next spring.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. I'm planting kale and cilantro this year for my cold weather garden that's going to get through the winter and come up next spring for a wonderful early crop. And let's not forget garlic. We're going to talk about all these things in just a minute. Stay with me. Kale, collards, and cauliflower all do well in cold weather. Your trench or hole should be fairly deep. And for greens like this, I always add a sprinkling of organic fertilizer. Pack the soil around the base of plants and mulch heavily to protect those roots during freezing weather. The sturdy plants will do fine without any further protection. An empty spot at the end of a row is just the right size for my cilantro plant. Garlic is most often planted from cloves, and they go into the ground in October. But this year, in October, I'm digging my garlic. When I harvested my garlic in summertime, a couple of the smallest of the bulbs were overlooked. They grew and then sprouted. So now I have some viable cloves, which I will separate out from each other and plant for my new garlic next spring. The more conventional way of planting garlic is to buy whole heads and plant individual cloves separated out from the head. Either way you do it, getting it in now ensures a beautiful garlic crop next spring. Thanks for joining me in the garden today. That's it for me. Let's go back to Danielle. We'll see what she's up to.
The first step for our dish is to blanch the broccoli in some boiling water. Broccoli is a member of the cruciferous or cabbage family. It is one of the most nutrient-dense foods, very high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin A. Broccoli actually developed from a wild cabbage native to Europe and has been known there for over 2,000 years. Transfer the pieces to an ice water bath to stop the cooking. To begin our warm bacon dressing, we'll saute 4 ounces of sliced bacon. When the bacon is rendered and crispy, we'll add some mustard and some vinegar. Reduce the heat to low and add 4 chopped green onions. For a wonderful nutty crunch, we'll add a half a cup of toasted pecans. Next, we'll slice up some red grapes. This unusual pairing of grapes and broccoli and a warm bacon dressing make this a wonderful fall dish. Transfer the blanched broccoli to a serving bowl and add the grapes, the dressing, some coarsely grated sharp cheddar, and some flat leaf parsley. Yum! I can't wait to dig in. Thanks so much for joining us today. We'll see you next week.